Crunchy chickpea salad wrap. Fresh, simple, and full of texture. Perfect for a quick and satisfying bite. Chickpeas, crunchy veggies, a light dressing, and a soft wrap. Everything you need for a fresh, easy, and crunchy meal. Start with your chickpeas, then adding your crunchy vegetables for that fresh texture in every bite. Mix until everything is lightly coated, but still chunky and textured, just the way you want it. Spoon the mixture into your wrap and spread it out evenly so every bite is nice and full. Fold the sides in first, then roll it forward nice and secure so everything stays tucked inside. Fresh, crunchy, and easy to make anytime. This is one of those simple meals that just work. For the full recipe, check out the pinned comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.